Okay, so the crank finally came in for the YZ250. Now I'm going to do an open reveal thing that everybody does on YouTube. I'm excited. Alright, hold on. Oh. The gasket set. Wiseco. And when you buy this kit, all the seals that you need for the bottom end and some for the top, like oil lines and things like that, comes with the kit. I paid right at $450 for it, which ain't really that bad because the stock crank is right at $350 or so. Got bearings. Let's see what these guys look like. Good big old heavy duty battery. Bearing, I think it said battery. That's nice. Thanks, Wiseco. They do not sponsor this channel or this video at all, so just buying stuff from them. So that's one. Love the smell of oil. Now, for the moment, everybody's been waiting on. Well, I've been waiting on. I don't know about y'all. Oh. This tiny little beast. Something so small can be so much fun. Or make fun, yeah. Old Dirt Slinger 10,000. Look at that. Man. That thing is pretty. And look, it's not locked up like the other one. So, whenever we get the rest of the parts for everything in, we'll start disassembling the rest of the motor and put this bad boy in and see what we can come up with it. I think I got the stroke right on it, but as you can see, the motor is still at the same spot it was last time. Old walked up timing chain, but there's the new one. Oh, that's leaking oil. I put oil in it. So hold on, let me find somewhere to put that. Just get out of the way for a minute. But still got a lot of cleaning to do. So far, like I said in the last video, lots of sand and everything. I don't know exactly what all they had going on. I haven't got into the transmission yet. I'm still waiting on the flywheel puller. Just kind of more of an update video. Other than that, as parts come in, we'll let you know how things go. Y'all have a good one. Subscribe, like, and tell your friends.